So we made around 127K in revenue, and on average that means 42K per month for our agency. Now, if you're wondering, the profit is about 70K, which make it around 55% in profit margin. So the reason why I want to make this video guide is to show you full transparency on how our agency generate our income stream. Number two, I want to show you how we diversify our income stream leveraging GoHighLevel as a platform. And number three, I want to show you the pro and con on each of the income stream that we use from those opportunities. So let's get started with the first income stream that we use leveraging GoHighLevel as a platform. And this made up around 25 to 30% of our total revenue. And that is GoHighLevel affiliate. So if you don't know yet, GoHighLevel have a 40% recurring commission when it comes to referring new user into their platform. What that means is that if you referred someone, Mr. John, and he end up signing for any one of GoHighLevel plan from the 97 to 497, you would get 40% into your bank account at the end of each month. And that stack up really well. So the pro behind this income stream is pretty obvious. So once you refer someone and they become an active user with GoHighLevel and paying their monthly subscription, there's nothing else that you have to do, right? Because they are using GoHighLevel support, they get onboarded by GoHighLevel team, they get training from GoHighLevel, and GoHighLevel is become a part of their business. So that means it's quite unlikely for them to cancel their subscription. So that means you're getting this recurring commission each month for not having to do much. So the downside when it comes to this income stream, I would say, is that it's really hard to do, right? So, and it's really slow as well. It's not something that you really scale really fast. So you do need to have a good incentive for people to sign up under you, having a good training system and a good support system. So the second revenue stream for our agency when it comes to leveraging GoHighLevel as a platform is actually having an agency. So we're actually selling GoHighLevel as a software. For our case, we're selling it as an add-on. So we're actually using it alongside with our Facebook marketing service for real estate agents in Australia and New Zealand to make sure that we maximize their result and also keeping the retention there as well for our client. So the good side for that is really scalable, high retention, high ticket. The downside obviously that you do have to do a lot of work. You have to have a bigger operation in place because it is a done for you program. So that means that we have to set up everything for them, manage expectation, manage communication lines with our client. So you gotta have account manager, media buyer, and all that stuff. It is harder to scale from an operation standpoint. And if you're not so much of a people person, this might not be the best revenue stream for you. And this make up around 50% of our agency revenue. So lastly, the third option when it comes to leveraging GoHighLevel platform for our agency, offering coaching and mastermind. And this made up around 20 to 25% for our agency revenue. So as you probably know, we're offering a free course, free snapshot, free weekly call. So for people who want more hands-on support and more attention, we're actually offering an elite mastermind where we actually go in and help them one-on-one to really whatever they need and create a custom roadmap to help them to where they want to go. And I really enjoy this the most, honestly. And that's probably the upside when it comes to this revenue stream. Number one, I really enjoy that. And number two, it doesn't take that much when it comes to the operation side, because these people, we're just giving them advice, structure, template, and homework to do, and then they go out and do it themselves. So what that means is that this program is more like a DWY, done with you program, where we actually guide people and actually help people behind the scene and let them succeed in their own pace and their own way. So the downside to this model, it probably comes down to the fact that I'm going to be the one actually running the coaching. So I need to be here and I need to be there for my student, which I'm 100% okay with. But it probably comes down to the fact that the coaching, this is more like using my brand, my face. So I do need to be there and run the coaching call and actually help people, which I'm absolutely don't mind to do. In the past year, I have took my business completely remote and have traveled Southeast Asia. The predictable and consistent income coming to my bank account each month. In fact, one of the time I have broken my leg and was unable to work for a month. And I was remembered income and the cash flow, which is still there. Now I don't know about you, but to me that is freedom, financial freedom, not fixed to any location and not have to stress about money. So I have made a free course, in fact a 30-day challenge, where me and my team gonna come in and help you set up and launch your online business completely from scratch and get your first few clients in a matter of 30 days. Now if you wonder, the business model is SaaS, software as a service. This is where we actually streamline and automate a lot of our work process while giving our client maximum value in return, therefore creating more freedom for you and your family when it comes to getting your time back. And this is the same course that helped hundreds of other online entrepreneurs getting this kind of results. So if this is something that you're interested, I'll make sure to leave the link somewhere around the video. Now back to the video. But in the future, if we want to remove myself or replace myself with another coach, we might have to come up with a different branding strategy and all of the other material. But I will keep you updated when it comes to that. So hopefully this video gives you a full transparency on how our agency generate our revenue. And one of the reasons why I make this is that a lot of people like to flash their Stripe account, their Stripe income, but really how much is that is profit, right? Especially when you're doing drop shipping and you have cost of goods sold and you have client support and you have refund. So I want to close this video off with just one more point. This 3 income stream is very well interconnect, leveraging GoHighLevel as a platform. As you can see here, we have an active agency that generates the most revenue for our agency, and then we can take that knowledge to teach other people how to do it, which is creating a flywheel itself. When we teach people how to start their own online agency, they have to use our referral link to get their own GoHighLevel account. So each of these 3 revenue stream itself is a flywheel effect. So that means if you put an effort to grow one income stream, it will automatically help grow the other income stream and come back to feed the original flywheel. So I highly recommend that you read the book Turning the Flywheel by Jim Collins. And this is Vico Khan, your GoHighLevel Ninja. If you like this video, thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.
Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you also checking out this content right there.